All right, y'all. If your home insurance went up 20, 30, maybe even 50% in the last year, you're not actually crazy, and you're definitely not alone. What I'm going to do in this video is break down exactly why this keeps happening here in Texas and many other parts of the nation, but specifically Texas, and what you can actually do about it and without putting yourself into a bad insurance position. Number one, claims. Claims, especially in Texas, let alone North Texas, have been historical claims amounts and payouts over the past like 5, 6, 7, even 8 years going back with the freezes, the hurricanes, the tornadoes, the hailstorms, you name it, we've been getting it lately. Most people aren't talking about that. It's just the number one obvious thing that I try to make sure I point out because it is one of the biggest factors. They matter. All claims matter. And it's every carrier, and it's not just yours. Everyone is affected right now. That's why everyone's rates are going up. Number two, rebuild cost. Your home 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago cost drastically less than it does to get rebuilt today or repaired today. It's not only material that has gone up, but it's also the labor to get that stuff done. So when you do that, everyone hates the word inflation, but that factors into it as well. Material, labor, inflation, all that stuff comes up. So insurance just costs more because your house costs more now to replace than it did in the past as well. Number three, reinsurance. Yes, insurance companies have to insure themselves, and this is called reinsurance. Most people don't even talk about this, but the cost of that actually going up, yes, it's going to trickle down to your personal insurance premiums because the insurance companies are going to pass that premium and that cost down to you as well. So reinsurance is the thing that really no one talks about, but that is also driving your rate up. So when people say my insurance doubled for no reason, there actually is a reason. There's a lot of reasons. Most people make huge mistakes. They solely focus on price when it comes to insurance companies and the policy you're going to buy. Most insurance agents are going to strictly focus on the price and being the cheapest person available for your specific situation. We don't focus on that here. We focus on getting you the right coverage, and I call it the best bang for your buck. So we look at coverages and making sure you put the same coverage that we would put on our houses on your policies. And then we look at over 150 different carriers to find the best price for those coverages. We explain, we educate, we review, we talk through all of it along the way to make sure that you are getting the best bang for your buck with the insurance. When people focus strictly on price, yeah, it's great until you have a claim. You're gonna have a claim. Hopefully you've got those right coverages because you got a proper review from an agent that focuses on coverage, not just price. If you want lower premium done the right way, what you need to look at are different strategies, deductible strategies, coverage strategy, different carrier options, not just the cheapest one that you can find on paper. So if you want a second opinion on what you currently have, or you just truly want to better understand what you have, give us a call, let us have a conversation. We'll spend all the time that you need making sure you are properly educated on your stuff and you know where you're at risk for a claim if something does happen. And if this was helpful at all, hit subscribe. The Brawley Insurance Breakdown, we're going to keep breaking down insurance slowly but surely. Yes, we're a new page, but we've been doing this for 11 years now. Let us help you make smart insurance decisions. If you're best where you're at, we're not going to try to sell you something you don't need. Hit subscribe, stay tuned for more.